Okay, it's January 16th, Monday at 8:38 a.m. Just a quick update with Bitcoin and a little bit on million token news. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is only to be used as entertainment purposes. Real quick, Bitcoin's hovering around 20,800 as I talk. It did hit 21,000 3 days ago when I did my stream. I was saying how the momentum is bullish for Bitcoin and it's been up $3,000 since then, so it's about $1,000 a day. Happy with that since I'm a hodler and most of my crypto is just in cold storage. So we are in this lower green band right now, which it generally is still a good buying opportunity. I know it's not 16 or $17,000 or 18,000, but it's generally, if you're dollar cost averaging, it's still a good time to buy Bitcoin. But I wouldn't necessarily buy now. If you look at the RSI on the daily, we are kind of at overbought conditions, right? It's kind of coming down a little bit. We're at almost 90. So, maybe it'll take a little breather. If you looked on the 4-hour exponential ribbon, let's see if where is that over here? On the 4-hour, it's kind of when it hits it kind of pumps a little bit, hits it, pumps, and we're getting close to hitting it again. We'll see if it pumps or not. And, it could continue to pump. Like I said, if the markets continue to pump until February 1st is when the interest rates will probably be announced. And we might have a correction or an increase of interest rates of 0.25% or maybe as high as 0.5%. I think the market is thinking 25 basis points. So, on the weekly, the exponential ribbon, we did get resistance here. And, but we are above this bullish trend line. So kind of no man's land here for me. And on the the ADX, we'll put this on the weekly. I was always looking for this green line to get above the red line. We did have a cross here. I still think it's too early to tell. I think it could still be a fake out because of February 1st. So I'm still waiting and seeing. But it's good to see it at least cross, right? We're still generally below the red. Once we get above it, we'll be in a bull trend. So it's still wait and see for me. If you're dollar cost averaging, it doesn't matter. Just, buy at these low levels. If you're dollar cost averaging on a routine basis over 4 years or more, I think you'll be fine. But you just got to stick with it. And let's see what else we have here. We have the hash ribbons, had a flash signal on the buy on the weekly. It's nice to see, especially if dollar cost averaging. I still think this could also be a fake out. I think we could have lower lows. But that won't be until probably a couple weeks after February 1st, if that even happens. That's why most of my crypto is hodling because, I don't want to time the markets. The S&P 500 is still up here at these higher levels on the upper channel here. That's going down. If it continues to go up until February 1st, we can go up to, 4,200 perhaps, and we'll just wait and see. I still don't see how the markets and asset prices can go up if they want to have inflation at 2%. Dollar indexed 102.373 and seems to be going down. And what else is there? Bitcoin dominance. To me, it's kind of going sideways, but some could argue it's going up, but generally in a bear trend or recession, altcoins just get wiped out. So I'm not really looking at that too much, but million tokens around 207, I think, on Uniswap. I know there was one whale that's got like 16,300 that's selling a little bit here and there over time. And we'll just, I'm just waiting on that. I still think there could be a massive buying opportunity once the million pool dries up. And, whoever wants to sell out of the pool can sell. I think there's like 33% of tokens are locked up, or not locked up, but they're in the pool. And so anytime anybody wants to pull those out, they can pull them out. It's still at 9.69%. And we'll just see come Saturday what will happen. We'll know come Sunday or next week for sure if there's going to be some selling pressure. So that's the million pool and the price. Nothing much has changed except for just want to give you an update on the hash ribbons, right? And the ADX and DI, the green line's crossing over the red line. The high RSI on the daily, so you might want to have that come down a little bit if you're maybe buying once a week or once a month or something like that. The S&P 500 still kind of up in the upper range here. Nothing's changed since Friday there. And I think that's about it. If you like this kind of content, give me a like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks.